We're doing the 24-hour handcuff challenge.
I'm living my best life. Yeah, yeah. I'm living my best life. Made a couple M's, you know. I said, I'm living my best life. I said, I'm living my best life. Made a couple M's with my best friends. Turned all my L's into lessons. You see the whip pulling up, it's like skirt. Dreams pulling up, I'm like skirt. I'm living my best life. It's my birthday, at least that's what I'm dressed like.
We're finna be handcuffed to each other for 24 hours. Like, I don't know how this is gonna work. Like, she gotta deal with me for a whole day. When I pee, you gotta pee. When I go you gotta go When I wanna eat, you gotta go eat. Well, that's what best friends is for, right? So yeah, go ahead and spam this video with a whole bunch of likes, a whole bunch of comments. I'm nervous, y'all, because we have a photo shoot today. So I wonder what we're gonna do for the photo shoot. Oh, I didn't think this through. But I'm still finna go do it. So we have to been accepted to do the 24 handcuff hour challenge.
I didn't accept it.
But I did, because we
Yeah,
YouTubers
but I didn't
now.
accept it. So you should have did this on yourself.
No, we
Did we have to
No, this is no, this is a 24 hours. Like, we have to do
Bitch.
this. Y'all, so we have the handcuffs on, and she's getting upset because she didn't accept this challenge, but I did, y'all. So when she washed her face, I guess I gotta go with her. And y'all, she still has to wash her face. I still have to wash my face and brush my teeth and stuff. But y'all, look. Bruh, but you gotta take your time with me. We in this together.
I'm really mad.
Don't look at
Where's the key?
There's
I'll be
no
right
key.
back, bro.
That means we sleeping on our stomach because I sleep on this side.
I'll be right back.
Okay.
Need some back.
No. Yeah, that means I gotta drive all day.
YouTube. She's going off, y'all. YouTube. Like, this
I didn't
is...
notice. Yeah, we can do this another
No,
day.
I already got half of the video. Like, it's okay.
You don't got half of nothing. You said it's 24 hours.
Exactly. But
Exactly.
I got the intro. I got when I got it on your wrist. That means I
Okay,
have
so
to
they
redo
not
it.
gonna know when we take it off. Just don't record it.
But that's the gag.
I don't like this. I was not a twin. I was born alone.
Yo, she is mad. She is mad. Y'all, it's just getting started. Like,
Alright.
we still gotta go wash our face and stuff.
Can I speak to mama?
Miracle got an attitude. It's okay, sis.
I'll talk to her when she get here.
She trying to tell on me and stuff. Oh, I'm sweating. It's hot. We're best friends.
You got me with my mask on. Like, I couldn't wait till I did all that.
No, because this is the video. I have to help you wash your face.
Yeah, I'm going to deep.
She really have an attitude,
Hello?
y'all. Listen,
Mama. Y'all should have put handcuffs on me talking about we doing a challenge, and I didn't accept it. And I can't get these handcuffs on. No, she videotaped me YouTube talking about if we accepted the 24-hour challenge.
In the meanwhile,
No, she talking about we gotta stay like this for 24 hours. We gotta stay like this for 24 hours, mama.
she acting like she don't. Oh,
Well,
it's hot.
how she had the handcuffs, either one of us can drive. Like, well, the arm she have it on, I have to drive all day. I'm kind of salty about that because I wish you would have slapped Miracle's part of you. I'm doing. I wake up. Put my mask on. Sitting outside looking at the nice day. And
Miracle,
this
you can't walk
heifer-
so much.
This she gonna tell me what I can't do. She put these mother on me. Okay, this is what happened. So I'm sitting chilling. She coming putting handcuffs on me saying we accepted the 24-hour handcuff charge. I didn't accept nothing. So now I'm stuck for 24 hours with her.
Your eyes.
Cuz I'm upset.
It's like every time you feel a tug, you roll your eyes.
Oh, took that pimple away. Pimples, go away. What's that? Rain, go away.
Come again.
Pimples, go away.
I never
Come
heard
back
that
in
one.
somebody's face.
I never heard that one.
I just made it up. Pimples, go away. Come back on somebody else's face. Cause I need them to go offline.
Can't get my phone. I gotta go get my tea.
Y'all. Fresh face.
Fresh face. Happy face. Mikasa, you Fukasa. Where's the cotton balls?
In my grandma room. We really gotta follow each other around.
You keep saying this like you're not believing it.
No, I'm not.
Wow.
Because this is ridiculous. I can't even say the words.
That's ridiculous.
I have to sit in on her brushing her teeth. I could be doing something else right now. It's gonna take us forever to get ready. Oh my god.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. Watch.
It's not gonna take us forever to get ready. No.
Like I'm gonna be over here trying to do my eyebrows and stuff.
I'm gonna just be like this. Y'all, we are gonna start on our makeup and see how this works.
Bro.
See
Pose
if
to the
it's a
camera now. Click.
We have to try to wash the dishes. And let's see how this works.
You wash, I rinse.
We're done washing dishes. Come on, we got it. We here. Wait, we gotta turn this way. Oh, this way. Oh, no, I gotta get my ice cream. No, it's the water. Our phones and stuff, electronics.
All right.
Still handcuffed though. Alright, y'all, so currently we are finna to
My car.
go to the store because we have to go to the store to make a run. And we finna see how this is finna work. Because we're still handcuffed.
How we getting in the car?
I will go first.
You gotta get in.
We have a difficulty of getting in the car. Huh?
Y'all want to figure out how y'all gonna do this the whole day, and y'all gonna be like doing it, this challenge. Oh,
right.
shit is hot out here.
It is. All right, we successfully got in the car.
So yeah, we're in the car, y'all, and we finna go to the store, and Miraacleee is driving, and we did it. We managed to get in this car.
Y'all realize how we had to get in this car, y'all.
Yeah,
I can't even put my seatbelt behind me.
just like this, boo. Just like this, boo. But yeah, we don't want to get copyrighted. We finna jam real quick.
Look, this is how she got to get out the car. I'm dead.
Okay, so now we are in the store, and we're still handcuffed, and we got a new subscriber, and it was the cashier. She's over there. But yeah, we're in the store. I keep forgetting that you locked to me, so I'm so sorry. Like, I'm sorry. I just want to do this. I just want to take off.
Wait till our new subscriber, you guys.
Oh yeah, our new subscriber. They just subscribed. Is it okay if I put you on my camera? Yeah. That's our new subscriber. Thank you. But yeah, we're gonna go, y'all, because we got what we needed. He walked out without us. Her uncle, my uncle too. She is really trying to finesse her way. It is not gonna work. Why would you do that?
I'm trying to get it
Like, oh my.
Alright, trying it again.
We are at McDonald's getting us something to drink, and yeah, we don't have nothing to do today, but we stuck together. So yeah, we're at McDonald's. Oh, this friend looks so pretty. Thank you. Okay.
It's how it's supposed to be. If he wants me to, he's supposed to freak. Ooh, that's how it's supposed to be. Ooh, that's how it's supposed to be. Ooh, that's how it's supposed to be. Everything good like it's supposed to be.
Still cuffed up.
Alright, y'all. So
What for a jog?
she decided to go for a jog. Which way we going? This way?
Yeah.
Okay, come on. Look, come on. Woo! We're back in the car.
You still playing?
We've been going. Oh, you got your keys? Okay. Okay. Thank you, sir. We are currently.
I can't take my shirt off, bro.
She cannot take her shirt off.
Look at this.
Look.
Like, how am I supposed to get out of these?
Look. I have her shirt.
What the hell? Okay, we about to figure this out.
I guess take a wipe off.
You funny.
She said I was always it's getting toasty in here. Slide the shirt off, because there goes the shirt. And now she's gonna get in the shower, y'all. So I'm gonna catch back with y'all when it's my turn. So I'm sitting here while my best friend is taking her shower. Like, yeah, for real. This is real. We almost did it.
Hey y'all. So she's taking a shower.
Yep.
And we're still handcuffed.
Hey. Put
The-
your hand in here.
The struggles of getting our shirts off. The struggle of us about to put our shirts back on.
Yeah. Now we're putting our clothes back on. But look at this dumb stuff though. Like look how dumb this is. Like this is crazy, y'all. This is really slip right on through.
Eating dinner. So you guys, we're still handcuffed and we're about to go to sleep. So good night. Good night. Good morning, y'all.
I gotta pee.
She don't want to get up while you sleep while you live.
What you said? Miss friend, it's 12 o'clock. We did it.
So loud. You know you gonna wait till 2 motherfuckers eight.
Look, y'all, bro, y'all, we did it. We did it. Can we go in the garage real quick?
I'm about to sleep. Bitch, I couldn't sleep right. I'm going to sleep. You can catch me at 2.
We did it. Oh my
24
god.
hours.
24 hours, bro. Like, I
Alright, you guys, it's the next day. We successfully did the
and
24
we're
hour.
out the handcuffs. That was hard.
My experience of it was okay. I had pros and cons of it.
Yeah, it was pros and cons. Like the pros and cons, y'all are gonna see what our pros and cons was. And how about y'all tell us like what were the pros and cons that y'all got? But it was hard. Sleeping was hard. What I wanted to do, yeah, versus what I wanted to do versus what she wanted to do, that was hard. Like we couldn't do our own stuff.
I couldn't dance because she was attached.
Yeah, we tried, and then that was the clip that you guys saw. We tried to do like a little we made up an 8 count purposely because we had these cuffs on our hands.
So you guys, if you love the challenge, give us a thumbs up. If you have anything to say, comment below. Follow us on social media, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Locked up.
No, I'm just saying, that's what I call a challenge. Something like that. Handcuffed together. How long? I don't know. What's the bit? I don't know. But I find it cool. Hardcore. Boom.